Hey, welcome back. This is Dwight with Learn to Earn. Today is a good day in good sunny San Antonio, Texas. As you can see, the sun is out there. It's shining. We're finally coming from underneath that big old heat wave that we've been having for the last 6, 7 months, which seemed like a lifetime. I'm back at the office. I got the office open, getting a little sunshine in. And today we're going to hit it back up and we're going to do content creation strategy. We're going to talk a little bit about what your strategy is going into this, right? So without further ado, look, let's not waste any time. Let's just deep dive into it, all right? Content creation and strategy. This is key. Crafting valuable content. Content creator. Valuable content. You see the two? Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. Create content that provides value to your audience. This can include product reviews, how-to guides, comparisons, and informative articles. You want to focus on addressing the needs and the pain points of your audience. All right? If you could solve that, the sky's the limit. SEO for affiliate marketers. Search engine optimization, SEO, is very crucial for driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. Research keywords relevant to your particular niche to optimize your content for search engines and build high-quality backlinks. This will improve your content visibility in search engine results. If you're a blogger, for instance, right, and you want to get some backlinks, you may reach out to someone else that is blogging, that has a very popular blog, and ask if they could list your blog on their blog, which would give you a backlink to your blog, but it would also help in increasing you in the search engine because of the fact that's a very popular blog. That's just one example of backlinking and another way to increase your search engine optimization. But the most valuable way that I've learned is creating valuable content. There's a lot of ways you could do that. Okay, I personally blog. The blog for me is the foundation. It's like the foundation of a house. It's slower, but once you get that valuable content out there and you start directing all of your traffic to your blog, it becomes powerful. It becomes powerful. Everything that I do online links back to my blog to offer more information to my particular audience and things of that nature. We'll talk about that more down the road. I don't want to get sidetracked. Oh, but there it is right here. One of the ways for crafting valuable content is just like I was saying that I do. Blogging versus video versus podcasting. Consider various content formats, like I just said, based on your strengths and your audience preferences. Blogging, video content, e.g. like YouTube and podcasting, all have their merits. You need to experiment and find the format that resonates best with your audience. All right? Experiment. Promotion and traffic generation. Let's talk about that. Social media marketing. You want to leverage social media platforms to promote your affiliate content. Again, you want to offer value. You don't just want to be spamming people with, go buy this on Amazon, go buy that on Amazon. You want to try to solve a problem, right? If you could figure out what the problem is that needs to be solved for your audience, the sky's the limit. Again, social media marketing. You want to leverage social media platforms to promote your affiliate content, create engaging posts, use relevant hashtags, and interact with your audience. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Again, all of those that we just talked about right there, they all link back for me personally to my blog. If there's something of interest or anything like that that resonates with that particular audience that's on Twitter or on Facebook, because again, the audiences, even though they're all interested in what I'm having to say, the audience is different because one is on Facebook and one is on Twitter. And what drives Twitter may not necessarily drive my audience on Facebook. But again, if I capture their attention, whether it's on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, eventually when they click on that, it all takes them right back to my blog, which increases the traffic that I have going into my blog. All right. Another way you could do that is through paid advertising. You know, at this point in stage, you may not be able to do that, but one of the ways to do that is pay-per-click advertising on platforms like Google Ads or social media like Facebook ads can be an effective way to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Ensure your ad campaigns are well optimized to maximize your return on investment. You know, that's huge. And it's a little tricky. So I don't, for beginners, if you're a beginner out there, I recommend trying to get some of that free traffic. You know, it may take you a little bit longer trying to get some of that free traffic, like starting out with a blog, creating quality content. But, but your bottom line, you're not spending really money right now, because right now you're in the business of trying to earn money, and most of us, when we're just starting out, we really don't have that big of a budget for marketing, and we really don't want to be wasting that by putting all of our eggs into one basket and stuff like that. And look, case, just for transparency purposes, I say that from experience, because when I started out, I started straight into pay-per-click, boom, 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 boom. And when I noticed, because I wasn't experienced in that area of it, I was paying maybe 94 cents for one click, and then it gave me the average of people such as myself who were in the same niche, and what they were paying. They were paying roughly 9 cents per click. Now you go figure. They were paying 9 cents per click. I was paying roughly 84 to 94 cents per click. That's because I hadn't perfected that. So my recommendation would be to find something that you could use. Perfect it first. Start seeing the results before moving on, because too many times we're like eager beavers. We see all these things and we hear all these things, and we want to try the latest and greatest, and we're all over the place. Hey, this is not a race. As I've said before, if you treat it like a business, it's going to treat you like a business. If you treat it like a hobby, your results are going to be that of a hobby. Okay. Search engine optimization, there's a lot that goes into that. Again, we're going to have some further training and discussions on that, but for right now, search engine optimization, SEO, you want to invest the time into optimizing your content for search engine, because it produces high ranking pages, which can attract consistent organic traffic over time. You want to focus on your page SEO, your meta descriptions, and your mobile optimization. That's a lot in just that one sentence, and it would take up too much time to delve into that. But in the meantime, as I always say, a lot of this is just free information on the World Wide Web. Just GTS when you got some time. When you got some time, GTS, Google that shit, and just read. Knowledge is power, man. Once you get that knowledge, they can't take that from you, man. I became dangerous. I tell people all the time, I became very dangerous from an entrepreneur standpoint years ago. If you didn't want me to be dangerous in this field, you should never let me learn how to read, because if I could read, I can make sense of shit myself. All right? That's another story. Email marketing. Continue to build and nurture your email list. We'll talk about that list, man. That list could be very valuable to you. Send out regular newsletters with affiliate promotions and valuable content. Again, email marketing can yield high conversion rates when done the right way. You want to stay engaged, but the thing about email marketing, look, you want to offer value. These people have subscribed to your email list for a reason, because they already figured that you have something to say. You have something to offer to them of value. So, but You know, you want to build that trust. You want to build that transparency. When you're emailing your list, if there's an affiliate link in there, just tell them, hey, for the price of keeping the doors open in order to do business, hey, if you click on this link, it's just an affiliate disclaimer. Hey, if you click on this link, I might earn a small commission to keep the doors open so that I can continue to deliver upon the value that I'm delivering to you. But I've seen people, when they do this on their list, it becomes too spammy. You know, every paragraph is a link. You know, they already want to be there for you. Again, patience, kind of like the Karate Kid. Slow down. You know, they subscribed to you because you had something that they felt was of value. So continue to build upon it. Continue to build upon that value and offer something to them to solve their problem. And I think that's where a lot of us go wrong. You know, all right, but again, that's for another day. Okay, let's get on influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote affiliate products. Influencers can reach a broader audience and provide social proof for the products you're promoting. Look, I've never used an influencer. Personally, that's just me. I'm not knocking it. I've seen it work for some people, but for me, in my particular niche, what I deal with, look, I'm trying to make money. Let's just be real. I ain't about to send nobody 2-3K just to push out a link for me. All right, there's no guarantee that I'm gonna. Anyway, look into it. GTS, Google that shit, because I don't want to influence you, but I've seen it work. But for me, hell with that. Content syndication. Share your content on platforms like Mediums, like LinkedIn. Ask people, can you, if you're blogging, I do this all the time. Hey, you mind if I guest blog? You know, write something on your post or about that particular subject. You know, guest post on a relevant blog that's relevant to the niche that you're already in. Excuse me. Syndication can increase your content's reach and drive more traffic to your website. All right. That's it for today, folks. It was a mouthful. Content creation and strategy. Go back, rewind this, and dissect it step by step, and then GTS, Google that shit, so that you get a better understanding. Or you can always refer to my blog, which I'll eventually start putting down in a link. But look, at the end of the day, this is just free knowledge, free education. You know, I'm trying to introduce you to all of the things, all the intricacies surrounding affiliate marketing. It's much more, as some of you are starting to see, than just placing a link into your bio or sending it out, spamming somebody. So stick with us. We're going to grow this channel. So be sure to subscribe, you know, so we can move up in the rankings. We have yet to get one subscriber. But hey, I get it. It's Google time. We're going to get that one subscriber eventually, and then it's going to be the mushroom effect. Or should I say the snowball effect? You got to be patient. I'm patient. I ain't going nowhere, right? And don't you go nowhere. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, if I ain't around, GTS, Google that shit. See you next time.